Hello, this is Jan and I am just releasing SimpleForest version 5.2.13. I was quite busy in the last weeks. I went through the whole QSM methods. I detected various bugs. I improved the optimization method. I improved the allometric results and I improved the runtime. So there has been a lot of uncommented in between commits done, but this is what we have now. So here on the screen you see quite a large and complex tree, um, and so I just want to introduce to you one new step. So this is already a quite decent model. How did we come here? So at some point we fitted cylinders with the sphere following method, and you can see a lot of overestimation in the twig area at the tip of the branches. So what we have here is a new step. It takes as input a cloud and a QSM, and it can predict which cylinders are good or bad fitted. So if we look at the results of this step, um, we can see all other cylinders still exist, but we can see this is what my method considers good fitted cylinders. So those cylinders are used for allometric correction, and the output you have seen in the complete model when you do the allometric correction. So also the allometric correction did improve a lot. So I also updated my handbook, the user guide, and it's now 70 pages. So I added few step descriptions, but let's keep it short and quickly go to the change log. So since my last video, which was about 5.2.5, so there has been the named allometric correction improvement with the detect fit quality. I introduced it firstly here and then refactored it in 5.2.9 to make a dedicated step out of it. The sphere following advanced method was improved. So here you find a step description of the new estimate fit quality step, and this is it on that part. Let's quickly jump to my Gitlab repository. So you see for if you enter gitlab.com/simpleforest, you should end up in this screen. Since December I contributed again a lot. That is the first thing you can see. I made a lot of improvements. So I uploaded, for those of you who want to compile Computree, I uploaded Computree first. Here is the user guide. Here is an R project with some example R scripts, and here is the plugin SimpleForest. So when you go to Computree, you can clone this repository and compile yourself. I added here a how to compile description. You see here the README. Please exactly stick to this if you don't know, if you are not that much experienced. So when you have compiled this Computree, it doesn't include SimpleForest. yet, you can then check out my plugin SimpleForest project and copy it here next to plugin SimpleTree and so on, and then you can enable in the all profile plugin SimpleForest and compile it yourself. There is also now a binary folder included, so in the Computree project. So this gives you a precompiled version, and for the people who don't want to compile, who just want to use on Windows the executable, you can still check out the Computree repository and then stick to the executables you find here. This is it on the GitLab side. I also updated processing scripts. So in plugin SimpleForest, oops, I ran to the wrong folder, sorry, under scripts and CT for CompuScript, you'll find few processing examples. So with tree, this is that tree, so a single QSM modeling. Then we have also here a script which loads coniferous tree. So this, it extracts the stem of the cloud, and then it builds QSM for these stems. I mean, branches are ignored. I still struggle with the noise from the needles of coniferous trees, but the stem quality is really nice. So we can just have a quick look at the cylinders. So this is the stem of both trees. The quality is really nice. So this is it, and the other two scripts. So I produced one script for a high quality point cloud to model DTM segment vegetation and produce QSMs, and the same script for a low quality point cloud. So this is for the high quality. For the low quality, this is the stem filtering which I showed you, and ignore those two scripts for now. This is pretty outdated. I have to update it still, and although this might change, these two scripts, tree modeling and tropical trees, I will use for an end publication. So this is all for now. Stay safe and enjoy my new release. Thank you.